Hey Zen friend, let's use sound and touch to calm your nervous system. You can do this anytime that you feel spun out or just overstimulated in general. Place your hand on your belly or over your heart and close your eyes or soften your gaze and listen to the sound bowl. Let the sound carry your thoughts. Now focus on your hand, whether your chest or your belly, and feel the warmth. Feel the weight of your hand on your body. And notice how your breath is moving your chest and your belly up and down. Take one deep breath in and a full breath out. Let's do that again. Press your hand gently on your chest or your belly and remind it that you are here. Breathe in and out. You just used sound and somatic touch to come back to center. Save this video in case you need it later and subscribe. Zen Friends is here when you need to find your calm.